Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the MZ Wallace Metro Sling Bag in the brand new rose color. Alright, so it is no secret here on my channel that I'm obsessed with MZ Wallace and MZ Wallace's sling bags in particular. I have a number of them. I've actually done a good number of videos kind of comparing the different types of sling bags. I will put, if I can remember, down in the description box or up here in the cards, the different videos that I've done. One sticks out in my mind that I compared the sling bag to this here Metro sling bag as well as the Bowery sling bag. I did all three of them, a big comparison. That one will probably be helpful if you're shopping these sling bags, but I've also done individual packing videos. But today I want to concentrate just on this one, do kind of like an updated packing video, if you will, because I think the only time I've ever highlighted the Metro sling bag is in a comparison video. So this one's just going to be solely dedicated to this one, and I really want to talk about how beautiful this brand new color is. All right, so when they first came out with this rose color, I actually thought it was a rose gold color or like a re-release of the past rose gold or like a new kind of spin on it, but it is not. It is a beautiful rose color. It's very different in my opinion than to the rose gold color. So I was mistaken when I first saw them kind of release this color. I love it. I cannot speak more highly about this color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is a pale kind of rose color. I'm trying to think of like another way to describe it, but it's like a really pretty pink. And I feel like it's not too pink. Like I feel like it's a pretty neutral color. A couple of you had asked me if I think that it leans towards the old mushroom color. I actually don't have that color in my collection anymore to compare them for you all, but I feel like the mushroom is a little bit more on like the creamy or like beige scale. This is a true pale, pretty powdery pink. So quick kind of comparison, even though I said I wasn't gonna compare in this video, but I think it's important to note this Metro sling bag is a good bit smaller than this Crosby sling. This is my ride or die. This is my, if you're gonna buy one bag from MZ Wallace, make it this one because I'm that obsessed with it and I'm that much in love with that bag. I use it like crazy. I have it in black. I have it here in this buff color. I've done reviews on those and I love them. I grabbed this one because I really thought that maybe, and I still might, I haven't decided, take it on my first trip of the summer and kind of use this as my everyday carry, but I think it's gonna end up being the sling bag, this one here, because it's just a little bit bigger. And let me tell you why I like it better. So when you wear this Metro sling bag here, this is how I wear all of mine whenever I have them on. But the strap here is stationary to the back, like it is sewn in. There's no movement with it. There's no like swiveling of like the strap or anything like that. And I actually prefer the sling bag's straps to this one. Now this one is a little bit more of like a sportier vibe, I would say. It can easily be adjusted just like the other ones if you wanted to kind of wear it on your back. And again, just like easily adjust it here. You definitely can do so. It's super long. But I kind of prefer, like I said, the vibe of the other sling bag. It's not to say I don't like this one because I do think it's absolutely beautiful in this pale rose gold especially. I just think it's a different style. So if you're looking for something a bit more casual, something that you can wear kind of sportier, I don't know if that makes sense. You can definitely wear this a little bit dressier, but this one here with like the chain strap and all of the different hardware, how it kind of moves, it's just a little bit different. That's all. This one here, like I said, is a little bit smaller than this sling bag. I'll go ahead and just kind of put this one on as well for you so that you can see on my body how much different size-wise it is than the Metro sling bag. So if that's something that you want to kind of compare between the two, if you really don't need something quite this big, then I would definitely go with this Metro sling bag next. So These are my top two. All right, so let's get into this Metro sling bag so I can show you all of the bells and whistles that this one has. Like I already went over, the strap is sewn in to the bag here. You have a buckle clip. On the back here, you do have one zipper pocket, and it's a great like pocket to put your wallet or your cell phone or passport or things like that you want to make sure that you're keeping close to your body. And then on the front of the bag, you have one pocket, and it's nice and big actually. It's a pretty decent sized pocket. I'll show you here in a minute when I put the camera down and show you kind of how I have it packed inside. Another thing that I love about this bag is you do have double zipper pulls. That is so important to me, especially when I'm wearing it across the front of me, that I can just unzip it a little bit and grab like what I need out of it and not have to unzip the entire like sling bag to get whatever it is that I need. The bag opens up nice and wide, and you have one interior zip pocket and a small little slip pocket that you can hardly see in there. But there's a lot of room in here for it being such a small, kind of more compact sling. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and show you this bag up close and what I have packed inside so you can see how much it holds. All right, it never fails that right when I'm recording, my dog decides that she wants to eat. So you might hear her kind of eating the background or her pitter patter of her feet kind of walking around here. But before I get into unpacking this one, I did want to address a common question that I've been getting, and that is all about the light colored MZ Wallace bags. Do I think that they wear well? Do they stain easily? Do they show dirt and all of that kind of stuff? And honest to God, I really have not ever had any trouble with my light colored MZ Wallace bags. I used to have the sesame color, the large Metro, traveled with that a ton, and I didn't have any issues with it. I had this buff colored bag on a recent vacation to Washington, DC, on and off the Metro train, in and out of the city. I did not baby it whatsoever. I had it kind of next to me or on my body, and I just don't see any issues with it whatsoever. I did think that I saw a small little marking somewhere, but I can't even find it now at this point. So the answer to that common question I've been getting is no, I just don't have any issues with the light coloredness of the bag. Now, are they completely stain proof? No, absolutely not. I mean, I'm sure you could get pen on here or marking on here. I did hear that if you use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and like warm, like soapy water, that they clean up pretty nicely. But if you have this Metro collection, like any of the bags in it in your collection, and you really protect your bags, like is there maybe a certain spray that you put on them or something like that that you enjoy and that you like, can you leave it down in the comments below for other people that are watching, and then maybe they can kind of see what other people, I guess, are doing. Me personally, I don't treat my bags in any way, shape, or form. I just use them. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the back of the bag, and I can show you what I have in this back pocket here. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a great pocket for your wallet or your cell phone or something that you want to keep close to you if you are in like a busy city or something like that, that you want to have your bag a little bit more protected. I just have some receipts back here, and I have a couple of quick like grab snacks, granola bar, and some cashews. I can fit a ton more back there for sure. No problems with my cell phone, wallet, anything like that. Moving the bag around here to the front, you have one big pocket underneath this MZ Wallace logo. And inside here, I just have things I grab for all the time. My hand sanitizer. I also have my hand cream here, and then a small Aquaphor for my lips, and a Tarte, what are these called? Like a Juicy Lip lip gloss. Moving on in to the big opening of the bag, you do have two leather zipper pulls here, and the bag opens up nice and wide. I actually don't have a lot in the center of the bag here. I stuck my cell phone down in there just kind of for size reference. I will show you really quickly though how it does fit here in this front pocket perfectly. I have a 13 Pro Max, so it is the larger one, and a loopy kind of case down here, and it fits really well in that front pocket. So just kind of to note there. But besides my phone inside this big middle pocket, I just have some tissues right here. I also have my Ondar Denner wallet, and this is just a small little kind of compact wallet. Has a little pull thing here in the center that you can put more cards in. I love this thing, and I really love this new blue color. Not sure if this color is still in stock, but they release colors quite frequently for this company, and I think I might have a discount code. I'm not sure if it works on this particular wallet, but it does work on their site. I'll make sure that I note that down below. But I just have my keys attached to this wallet, so I can just grab this and go if I need to. The only other thing in the main opening of the bag that I have are my Altoids. And then I did put a couple of dollars here in this little slip pocket. I never have cash on me, so I had this and I just kind of stuck it in there. It's like just a couple dollars. Inside the zipper pocket here, you do have the traditional little slip pockets that are inside most of the interior zipper pockets of MZ Wallace bags. I don't have anything in the big opening there, but I did put a couple of small things back here. My Excedrin, it has like Excedrin and Advil in there. And then I also have over here in this pocket a Clinique lip repair. I love this stuff for my lips, as well as that Aquaphor. They've been so chapped lately that it's like pretty much all I've had on my lips, but I have that. I also just have some eye drops, and then I have a travel mascara in there. So definitely room for more. So I'll give you one last look here now that all of the pockets are open and they're empty, so that you can really see how big this bag is. Again, I'm crazy obsessed with this rose color. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. Alright, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this Metro Sling bag and wanted to see the new rose color kind of more up close. I will have my affiliate link with MZ Wallace linked in the description box, as well as pinned kind of in the comment section. I so appreciate it anytime that you guys use my affiliate link and shop through MZ Wallace. It really helps support my channel. But until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you very soon. Bye.